Here's a simple step-by-step guide how to make proxy files on your DaVinci Resolve application. Let's minimize this window and upload here my video. For example, this one. Okay, change. And once uploading is completed, you can see here new video. If you don't have this video, you can click on media pool here. And after that, you can do right click on the video and then scroll down until you find generate proxy media and just click here. And that can take a couple of minutes depending on the files that you uploaded. That's it, you can edit in your video without lagging. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about DaVinci Resolve and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribe to our channel.